Why does having a timer make the CELPIP speaking test so challenging? Check out this video to find out why. The CELPIP speaking test is always held on the computer, and there are 8 speaking tasks on the exam. The amount of time you will have to speak for each question will depend on the task. Most of the tasks require a 60-second response, except for tasks 1 and task 7, in which you have to speak for 90 seconds. Now, why is it hard to do a speaking test with a timer? Well, first of all, it's not very natural for us to speak with a timer or a clock ticking down in front of us, but you have to get used to that when you are studying for the CELPIP test. That's why I strongly encourage that you record yourself while you are preparing for your exam to make sure that all of your answers are within the time limit. Also, you only get about 30 to 60 seconds to read the question, understand the question, and to think of your ideas. That can go by really quickly, especially for task 1 and 7, where you only have 30 seconds. So you've got to study at home and make sure that you are able to quickly identify the question, understand it, and think of your ideas in 30 seconds. Now, our students do get some tips and strategies and help on how to do that. Also, you cannot control the timer on your CELPIP speaking test. So as long as you are aware that the computer will switch screens very quickly and that you are prepared for that, you shouldn't be overwhelmed or surprised. Finally, make sure that your answer is as complete and close to the end of the timer as possible. If you're about 5 seconds off, that's okay. But if you're any more than about 5 seconds, it could be too short of an answer. On the other hand, you also don't want to get cut off in the middle of your response. So you have to practice providing CELPIP style speaking responses within your 60 or 90 second time frame at home, so that when you get to the test, you have a clear, organized, and awesome answer. Have you taken the CELPIP speaking test? What did you think? Leave a comment below or share this video with a friend of yours that's preparing for the CELPIP test. And if you need help preparing for your exam, you can count on us, your CELPIP and IELTS exam experts, to help you get the band score you need.